A triangle has two sides of length 4 centimeters. One of the angle measures 66 degrees. What kind of triangle is it? So let's first begin by drawing what we know. We know that two sides are equal, so I can draw it this way since it's a triangle. Doesn't look pretty equal, but this side is equal to this side, and they're both 4 centimeters exactly. 4 centimeters exactly. And it says one of the angle measures 66. So I can call this measurement right here 66. What kind of triangle is it? Well, since we know that the angle is 66, in order for a triangle to be equilateral, all the degrees on the inside have to be exactly 60 degrees. It has to be 60 because a triangle, if you add up all the sides inside, if you add them all up, they have to give you 180. And if it is an equilateral triangle, 180 divided by 3 will give you 60. So each side has to be exactly 60. In this case, one side is 66, so it cannot be equilateral. If all the degrees were 60 degrees, then it would be equilateral, and then the third side would be 4 centimeters. But in this case, the triangle has two sides of 4 centimeters and already one angle, 66. Second one, isosceles. By definition, isosceles means that the triangle has two sides which measure exactly the same degrees. And in this case, we do have that measure the same length. In this case, we do have that 4 centimeters and 4 centimeters are the same length. So it means that this triangle is an isosceles. We know that there's enough information, so it cannot be that. And it is impossible for a triangle to have these properties, and it is possible. And you could find that by finding what these two sides are, and we could find them by 180 is equal to 66 plus 2x, where these sides would be x and x, and we could find that. But the answer is isosceles.